Gurudev, happy morning.
Jai Gurudev, happy morning, ma'am.
Happy morning, ma'am. Happy morning, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Happy morning, ma'am. Happy morning, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Happy morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Sangeeta ma'am. Sangeeta ma'am, are you hearing?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you. Chella, ma'am, I'm able to hear you.
Yes, are you hearing now?
Yes, ma'am, your voice is audible.
Okay, thank you ma'am, thank you. Jai Gurudev children, happy morning. Get ready for the prayer now. Sit straight. Sit straight. Join your palms. Close your eyes. Let's begin the prayer now. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Jai Gurudev children, happy morning. Ma'am, are you hearing? Sangeeta ma'am?
Voice is audible, ma'am.
Okay. Children, today our subject is computer. Got it? Today our subject is computer. The whole year we... Okay. Today our subject is computer. Today we are going to see about a new subject. Okay. What is computer? Children, what is computer? Computer is an electronic soft machine, isn't it? Yes. Why do we need computer? So computer help us to perform our work easier and faster, isn't it? Obviously, we are doing the same thing through our virtual class. Yes. Yes. It saves our time and energy. Got it? What is computer? Computer is an electronic soft machine. Are you hearing, ma'am, Sangeeta ma'am? Are you getting? Yes. Okay. Then, what is the working process of the computer, children? What is the working process? How it used to work? So we can shortly say that one IPO. What is the meaning of IPO? Input, processor, and output. Easily, I'll say one example. If I ask any question, so if I ask any question, you used to listen as well as where you used to store that one. Store in your brain and you will answer through your mouth. Isn't it? Right? The same manner, computer auto. Similarly, computer listen to microphone and saved in CPU and send us output as speaker. Got it? By this way only computer used to work. We'll see now. Okay. So, first chapter of ours is hardware and software. What is hardware and software we are going to see in this session now. Okay, if you see that one, have you been to your hardware store? Yes. So tick the items that you will find in a hardware store. What are the that we can see the Have you been to a hardware store? Pick the items that you will find in a hardware store. Okay. What are the things that we can see there? Hammer, then stool. These things that we can see in our hardware. Which one we can easily touch that one? My children, please don't touch that one because I can't show my content there. Shahid, Shahid, if you touch the screen really, I can't take the class now. Don't touch the screen. Varshini, please mute your mobile. Everyone, please listen carefully, children, because while show our content, if you touch the screen early, we can't give that one. Please listen carefully. Okay. So hardwares, which one we can touch there? That is the mean of hardwares. We can see that one. Well, come to the next topic. What is the mean of hardware in computer? Okay. The first one. What is the hardware? The physical parts of a computer system are known. If you see that one, for example, I can say that one. Which one easily say? What is the external part of our body? What are the external part? Which one we can easily touch? Which one we can easily see? So that part only we can be applicable for in the hardware also. The physical parts of a computer system known as the hardware. Then you can physically touch and feel the computer hardware. For example, monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, speaker. Isn't it? So these things that we can touch. Computer hardware includes the physical parts of a computer such as case of which one I said now, monitor, keyboard, and mouse, printer, these things that we can touch as well as what? See. So by this way only we can observe that one. Then what is the software? What is the difference between hardware as well as software? There's a code that runs on the computer chips and transitions. So all the apps which are inside our system is called the software. Now we'll see the different parts of an hardware. Types of hardware components in that one. What are those? We are seeing now input devices, storage devices, processing devices, then output devices. What is input devices? Yes. Input devices are used to feed information into the computer. Input devices are used to feed information into the computer so that it can be processed. Some of the important input devices are keyboard, webcam, scanner, mouse, joystick, and microphone. We'll see one by one. Okay. Role of input devices is to bring data into the system. So what is the role of input devices? To bring data into the system. The main function of input devices is to direct commands and data into the computer. For example, if I say that one keyboard is an input unit that enters numbers and characters. Similarly, mouse can be an input unit for entering directions and commands. We'll see one by one. Yes, first we'll take the keyboard. Everyone, you know that one. What is the keyboard? You used to touch, used to play within that, isn't it? Keyboard. Keyboard is a layout of buttons. So you can see all the characters in that one, numbers. Each button or key can be used to either input a character or number on a computer or to call a particular function of the computer, isn't it? What are that we can see in that keyboard? What are that we can see in that keyboard now? So all the things that we can, all the numbers, alphabets, characters in the sense alphabets, we can see that arrow marks, which is a left, right, up and down, these things that we can use that one. Why that we are using? Because another way to say this is a man tell the computer to follow the step on this line of the direction. We are giving the direction to the computer by using the keyboard, isn't it? This is the input device. The second one. What is the second one? Mouse. So a computer mouse is an input device that is mostly used with a personal computer. So everyone used to touch the mouse, not only in your house, we used to use in our lab also. So icons on the screen can be moved, which is on the system, can be moved or selected by pressing the mouse buttons. Isn't it? Do you want to select something? So you used by press the button, we can select that one. This action is called clicking, isn't it? So the mouse sometimes called as a pointer. It is a hand operated input device, isn't it? We used to, by use our hands only, we used to operate that one. So it is a hand operated input device used to manipulate objects on a computer screen. For that only that we are using the mouse. Even though mouse sends instruction to the computer to move the cursor on the screen. Obviously, we used to see that by using the mouse only, we used to, which one? To move the cursor on the screen by left, right, up and down, we used to do that one. In order to interact with the files, windows or pictures, which one that you want to take by using the mouse that we used to direct that one. We would like to enter into the file, we would like to enter into the windows, any software, by using mouse only we are utilizing that. This action is called by clicking. So today many computers use wireless mouse. What is the meaning of wireless mouse? So wireless mouse sends signals to the computer without a cord. Suppose cord won't be there is no any connection. By using the Bluetooth only, they will connect to the system. That is a wireless mouse. Nowadays that we are using that wireless mouse only. Now the next one is joystick. Everyone will know about your joystick. Where we use this one joystick, most of you used, isn't it? When we use, so joysticks are mostly used for computer games. So my children, I think so, used to play computer games, isn't it, nowadays? Are you doing? Are you doing, children? Obviously, you used to do that one, but don't often. Got it? Okay, joysticks are mostly used for computer games. It consists of a stick which is called the lever. So if you suppose if you play by use that one, there is one lever will be there. So just like as a stick that one, the lever can be removed in all direction and controls the movement of the pointer on the screen. So in computer, the joystick is a cursor, central device used in computer games. It consists of a stick, I say no. So that is just like a lever. So they give a, which one? Better gaming experience for racing or flying styles of computer games. So used to play by using the joystick. So how to play PC games using only controller? So by using controller in the sense, we can easily say that one by joystick only. So what PC games are best played? So you used to play by using, which one you used to play? So definitely I can say that one, racing, car racing, a flight one. So these things were used to flying styles of computer games. These are by using joysticks only nowadays that we are utilizing that part. Then web camera. Which one? That one. Webcam means what? Web camera. So it is also known as a webcam. It is a digital camera that is connected to a computer. Isn't it? A web camera is a digital video device commonly built into a computer. So we can directly see our face, we can interact with opposite one. So its main function is to transmit pictures over the internet. So it can be or capture pictures from wherever it is placed and send them to another location by means of the internet. If you see that one, can you see that web camera? By using that one only, that we can interact. Otherwise, that is also used to capture pictures from wherever that you are. So that used to send through our internet. It is popularly used with instant messaging services and for recording images, which one that nowadays we are doing. So by used only that we can be capture our videos. So they can be used for video chatting on the internet. You used to chat with your family members, some are they are not here, they went to abroad, used to chat. Not only that one, we used to play nearby here also by using that web camera. Are you play within that? We also used to play, we also used to interact with web camera. So by using web camera only that we are utilizing that. Then what is the next one? Microphone. Nowadays, you used to say, ma'am, your voice is not audible. I'm also not clear. Sometimes myself, I used to say, that means yours is unmuted that you're talking. That is also disturbing. So, based on our microphone only. What is meaning of microphone? A microphone or mic is an input device that can be attached to a computer. Isn't it? Why that it has been attached to the computer? It allows you to input sounds like speech and songs in the computer. And you can record your voice with the help of the microphone. A microphone is a device that capture what? Audio by converting sound waves or vibration in the air into an electrical signal. So that will convert. Then microphones enable many types of audio recording devices for communications of many kinds of, as well as music and speech recording also we can utilize that one. What is the usage of that one? Microphones are used in many applications such as telephone, isn't it? Sound recording, radio or television broadcast, everything that we are using now microphone there. Then processing device. What is meaning of the processing device, children? All the inputs, what I said, working process of the computer, IPO. Shortly we can say that one, IPO. What is the I stands for? Input. P stands for processing. O stands for output. So that is the processing. P stands for processing device. What will happen if we give these kind of inputs in our computer? If I ask, and what I said, if I ask any question, where you used to store? First, you just listen through your ears, then where you used to store in your brain. Then you will answer through your mouth, right? By this way, our computer also first listen through our microphone. What I said, microphones are used only for capture the sound, capture the voice which one we are talking. So that part that used to capture, where they used to save that one in CPU, where they used to save in CPU, that is central processing unit, isn't it? So then it sends us output as speaker. Then only we will receive that one. So that only processing device. So all the inputs are stored and processed by a computer. All the inputs are stored and processed by a computer. The device that helps a computer do so is called as a processing device. So all the inputs, which one that we are giving, everything are stored just like as a brain or CPU. Got it? Just like as brain that is having that CPU. So all the inputs, all the information, all the messages, these information are stored where and processed by a computer. This device that helps a computer do So he is called as a processing device. The processing device in a computer is known as a central processing unit. That is CPU. If you see that is a CPU. Vishali, don't ask request, ma'am. It only process that, which one that process now? The information given by the input devices and sends the result to the output devices. So output devices by using the speaker that we used to get that one. So by this way only that we are doing our hardwares. So now we are going to ask the questions regarding our computer. Okay, now we'll talk about our computer now. Okay, children. Children, are you hearing? Ma'am, are you hearing? Yes, are you hearing? What is
Yes, ma'am.
computer? Yes, Kana. What is computer? Vishali? Vishali? Okay, Magisha? Can you tell me what is computer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kana. What is computer? Charan? Yes, ma. What is computer?
CPU.
No. What is computer? I said. CPU is the that
Device.
is the process. Huh? No, I'm asking about what is computer. Computer is an electronic soft machine. What is computer? Computer is
Electronics.
an electronic soft machine. Very good. Okay. The next one. Charan. Charan.
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you there?
Yes.
Yes, Charan. Why do we need computer? Charan, why do we need computer? Why do we need? Yes, Kailash, are you there? Kailash? Sukirtan. Sukirtan, why do we need computer?
We
Why
need
that we are learning that?
computer. We need
Yes.
computer to type
Very good.
then play games.
Very good. That means computer help us to perform our work easier and faster. Isn't it? Compared with us, they used to do more easier as well as faster. And also it saves our time and energy. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So by that only that we are utilizing our computer. Okay, Kana Sukitan. Very good, Sukitan. Then, what is the short form of working process of the computer? Okay. Kanishka, what is the short form of working process of the computer? Short form. I said, what is the short form of that? Short form, I said. Very good. Say that one. Very good, Kanishka. Good one, you say. Very good. Sita, very good. Girish Raghavendra, very good. What is the short form, Kana? Input process. Very good. IPO, output. Very good. Most of you are doing excellent one. Very good, Kana. Very good, Kanishka. Okay. Then Charmita. Charmita.
Ma'am?
Yes, Charmita. What is hardware? What is hardware, ma?
Ma'am?
Hardware. Kanishka, can you mute, ma? What is a hardware in computer? What is computer hardware? What
Second,
includes?
Ma'am,
Yes,
one
ma?
second, ma'am. Internet is
Yes.
just stucking, ma'am. 1 second, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
It's okay, ma'am.
Girish Raghavan have given some very good answer there. Okay, Charmita, are you there?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. There, ma'am.
Yes, Kana. Computer hardware includes what?
Physical parts of the hardware.
Very good. Physical parts of a computer. What and all that? What and all that?
Hardware and software.
No, no. That is a physical part. Software is inside that one. What is the hardware? Yeah.
Monitor.
Very good. Tell me. Hardware and I'm asking about only hardware.
Okay, ma'am.
Monitor,
Hardware,
mouse,
keyboard,
keyboard,
computer, mouse, speaker, CPU.
speaker, motherboard. So just like as a software. Very good, Charamita. Very good.
Thanks, ma'am.
Very good. Next one. Girish Raghavendra. Girish Raghavendra. Girish Raghavendra. Girish. Okay. Shamil. Shamil.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Shamil. Okay. Can you give me that name any two input devices?
Mouse,
Yes.
keyboard.
Keyboard. Very good. Wait, Shamil. What is the usage of keyboard?
To type the words and to play.
Type the. Okay. Very good. Very good, Shamil. Okay. Vishali. Vishali. Vishali, are you there? Arul Sai. Deekshita, can you mute your mobile now? Mute your audio, video, mom. Okay, Arul Sai. Arul Sai.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Arul Sai.
Yes, ma'am.
What is a mouse, ma? What is the usage of mouse?
What, ma'am?
Mouse, role of mouse. What is the function of mouse? Why we are using mouse?
Select to point to click.
Very good. Select. Say again.
Selective point to key.
Pointer key. Very good. Very good, Arul Sai. Very good. Very good. Sarveshwar. Sarveshwar. Sarveshwar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sarveshwar. What is wireless mouse? What it means wireless mouse? Wireless
Joystick.
mouse. Yes,
Joystick.
ma?
Joystick.
Wireless mouse. Joystick. Wireless mouse means what, ma? So that sends signals to the computer, isn't it? But there is no any cord. There is no any connection to our computer by using no wire. Yeah, simply that Meenaja has given no wire to the computer. That is yes. By using Bluetooth only that we are utilizing that part. Very good, Kana. Very good. Okay, next one, Meenaja. Meenaja.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Meenaja. Do you like to play video games?
No, ma'am.
You won't play. Okay. Did you use the joystick? Joystick?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what is the usage of joystick? What is the joystick usage in computer?
Up, down, round and
That means in computer joystick is a cursor.
It's a
Control device used in computer games. To play games. Very good. Some of you have given that one to play games. Very good. Meenaja never played the video games, isn't it? Very good, Meenaja. Very good. Okay, thank you, Kana. Thank you, Meenaja. Sarveshwar used to play. Then come to Sarveshwar now. Sarveshwar, come here. Who used to play the video games well?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sarveshwar.
Sometimes.
Which one you are? What video game you would like to play well? Yes, Sarveshwar.
Temple Run.
Temple Run by using joystick, isn't it? Is that a racing game?
Only, ma'am.
Is that a racing game?
No.
Huh. So racing games and flying games we used to utilize by using that joystick. So do you want to play more video games? Sarveshwar,
No.
do you want
ma'am.
to play more video games?
No.
No, okay? Don't often. Got it? Very good,
Yes.
Sarveshwar. Yes, Kana. Okay. Pragati. 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 Okay, Guru Prasad. Guru Prasad.
Jagada, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev Guru Prasad. Okay.
Jagada, ma'am.
Okay, Guru Prasad. Okay, ma. Okay, tell me what is the function of mouse, ma? Function of mouse.
The mouse helps. The mouse helps
Yes.
to drag and click.
Okay, how that is used to send the information or instruction to the computer? What you said is correct only.
It
How it used to send the information to the computer?
to the keyboard.
To the keyboard. I'm asking about the mouse. Because to move the cursor, isn't it? To move the cursor on the screen in order to interact with the files, which one that you would like to play, or you would like to use. So by using the cursor, only that will give the information
Okay,
to
ma'am.
the computer. Very good, Guru.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, correct. Okay. Jai Shri. Jai Shri. Jai Shri. Yes, Jai Shri. Jai Shri, are you there? Okay, Kana.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the main function of input devices? Okay, give me some input devices. Give me some input devices. Name some input devices. Input devices. Ma. Jai Shri, are you hearing, Kana? Yes, Jai Shri, are you hearing? Yes. Yes. Some input devices. Yeah, most of you are giving the correct answers there. Now some children they say no, ma, keyboard, mouse, joystick, very good. Microphone, scanner, these are the input devices. Isn't it, Jayashree? Jayashree,
Yes, ma'am.
are you hearing? Yes.
10 minutes more, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am. Okay, now tell me, Jayashree, what is a microphone? Microphone. Okay, I'll ask someone. What is the microphone? Masta? Sivapriya. 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 What is the microphone, ma? Microphone is input device. When I'm asking, what is that? What is the function of microphone? Yes, ma. Who's that? Vishali? Yes. I'm asking about the microphone.
Microphone
Yes.
used to
Ah,
record.
very good. Microphone is a device. Very good, very good. Very good, Shivapriya. Very good. A microphone is a device that capture our audio by converting sound waves or vibration in the air into an electrical signal. Very good, Shivapriya. Thank you, Kana.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sudeshni Sri. Sudeshni Sri. Okay, thank you, Shivapriya. Yes, Sudeshni. Okay, now
Ma'am?
tell me, Sudeshni. Okay, Sudeshni, are you here? Okay, listen now. What is web camera? What is the function of web camera?
To put video call.
Used to capture pictures. Some of them is given correct answers there. Very good, children. What is web camera? We used to interact.
Camera, like a camera, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. That means just like as a camera, that means web camera is a digital video device commonly built into a computer. Did you see that one? Are you utilizing that one? Sudeshni Sri?
Ma'am?
In your computer, did you see that one? Web
No,
camera?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Okay. Then its main function is to transmit pictures over the internet. Okay, Sudeshni Sri. Thank you, ma. Kailash? Kailash?
Yes, ma'am.
Kailash? Are you there, Kailash? Kailash, what is the CPU? CPU stands for?
Central processing unit, ma'am.
Very good. What does it mean that? Again?
Central processing unit, ma'am.
Very good. Central processing unit. Very good. What that you said is correct only. What is the function of CPU? What is the function of CPU? Kailash?
Information process.
Unit. Correct. What that you said is correct only. What is the function of CPU? Akash? Okay, thank you, Kailash. Listen now. Akash? Sabarish? Sabarish? Okay, thank you, Kailash. Good one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sabarish. What is the function of CPU?
CPU. CPU.
What is the function of CPU?
CPU memorize it.
Yeah, CPU means just like our brain. For the
Yes,
system,
ma'am.
that is a brain, isn't it? So that used to store the information, all the messages, all the files, everything will be stored there one, isn't it?
Yes.
So
Yes,
CPU
ma'am.
is the central processing unit, which was
Like
used to save the information. Very good, Sabarish. Kailash, did you get now? What is the CPU?
like a memory part.
Very good, like a memory power. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sabarish. Kailash, did you get now, dear? Yes. Very good. The next one. Aditya Ashwant. Aditya Ashwant.
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya, are you there? Okay, Aditya. Okay. Okay, shall I ask one question? You say yes, sir, true or false. Got it?
Ma'am.
Joystick is not used to play computer games. It's true or false. Again, I'll say joystick is not used to play computer games. It's true or false.
False.
Yes, Kana? False. Then what is the reason? What is the correct one?
We can
What is
use
the correct one?
to
We
play
can?
game.
To play games. Okay, what game do you would like to play? What, ma?
Boxing.
Boxing in where? System.
Yes, ma'am.
By using joystick.
Yes.
What PC games are best played? What PC games are best played means racing, flying, isn't it? So you would like to play boxing. Okay, very good, Aditya. Good boxer. Very good. Thank you, ma'am. Car games, some of you say very good. Car games, then flight game, racing and everything that bike games by using joystick that you can play now. The next one. Litika. Litika.
Me? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Litika.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
tell me, why do we need computer? Why do we need computer? So far we seen about the computer only. Why do we need computer? Is it necessary for us? Is it necessary? Ritika, do we need computer?
To online class.
Yes, tell me.
To online class.
Who's that? Computer help us to perform our work easier. That means instead of coming to the school, that you are sitting in your home itself, watching as well as you are listening everything. So what it shows that one, perform our work easier. It saves our time and energy. Are you agree within that? Are you agree within that? Yes. Okay, thank you. Alan, thank you, Alan. Okay, the last one, Pranavi. Pranavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Pranavi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what are the input devices that we have seen so far? What are the input devices that
Mouse,
we have seen? Very good. Mouse,
keyboard,
keyboard,
joystick,
joystick. Very good.
webcam.
Webcam. Then one more. Microphone, isn't it?
Microphone.
Microphone. Yes. So these things are what? These things are what?
Input device.
Very good. What is the role of input device? That is my question. What is the role of input device? What is the role of input device? Because you said these things are our input device.
To
What is the
type
role of
for.
to bring data into the system? Why that we are utilizing? By using keyboard we are typing, by using mouse that we are storing our information, by using joysticks that we are moving our playing everything, microphone we are talking, that we are recording our voice, isn't it? So these things are to bring data, whatever the information collection, that means everything. So that will be stored in a system, into the system that we are utilizing that one. Got it? Pranavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Pranavi, did you get? Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
for you, this there is no isn't is time. Okay, ma'am, only 1 minute. I'll take now. Okay, children. So you'll get that classwork. So you have that English classwork note. So what and all that we are giving as a classwork note, you have to complete in your English classwork note, children. We will send the classwork notes through your WhatsApp group. Yes, Sudashni Sri, I know that one. That is 12-1, dear. So do you want to move now? Okay, children. We will see in next class. We will get that. What are that detail about what and all that we have learned so far in our computer. We'll send as a classwork notes. So you have to complete in your classwork. Got it? Okay, thank you, children. Jai Gurudev.
Ma'am, bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, ma'am.